Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to clean a vinyl fence. A couple weeks ago I put up a video on how to install a vinyl fence. So now I got a new fence, but I need to clean up the old fence. One thing about vinyl fence is that it will get mildew and mold on it. About once every year you'll have to come back and clean it, and I'll show you how to do that today. One of the first things you're going to need is the cleaner. I used Mold Armor last year, the Easy House Wash. It works really good. This one covers up to 4,500 square feet, and it works on siding, vinyl siding, brick, concrete, and trim. So it is safe for your vinyl fence. Also, something you're going to need is a pressure washer. The cleaner actually does a lot of the work for you. The pressure washer kind of just helps get those really hard to get out stains. And then also you need to use a 45-degree tip. You can get these on Amazon pretty cheap if you don't already have one. The 45-degree tip is just a little more gentle than the other tips that you might have in your kit, so I recommend using that so you don't damage your vinyl fence with too much pressure. And lastly, you will need a hose. So on the actual Mold Armor itself, there's 3 different settings. The first one is off, so that just turns everything off. The second one is rinse, which you can see right there, it says rinse. And then the last one is clean on this side, so you turn it all that way, and that's what sprays out the actual cleaner that's inside. So first step is going to be putting the hose on the cleaner itself, so it just screws in like this. Just like that. Also remember to have your setting on off before you turn the water on so it doesn't spray everywhere. Alright, so when you're ready to start, all you do is turn the nozzle to clean, and you'll start to see it coming out. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth, make sure you coat every section of the panel. And you want to start from the top and work your way down. Once you sprayed all the fence that you want clean, you just wait for around 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, after about 10 minutes, the cleaner did probably about 60–70% of the work for you. Cleaned off a lot of it. So now what I'm going to do is go back and pressure wash it now. If you have really bad stains, you can do another coat of the Mold Armor, but I think the pressure washer will be able to take all this off. So once you're done with that, that's pretty much it. What you got is a very clean vinyl fence, no mildew. This is really one of the easiest ways to maintain your fence compared to traditional fencing like wood. Vinyl fencing is so much more easier to take care of. Like I said, just once a year, do a good cleaning on it, and it'll last you many years. Well, that's it. That's how you clean a vinyl fence. That's pretty much all the maintenance you'll ever have to do on your fence, other than maybe replacing a cap or a panel here and there. If you like the video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.